Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you essay on environment. Before starting, I would like to tell you that if you are not following my Facebook page, then do follow my Facebook page because I will be uploading the PDF of this essay on my Facebook page. Link to my Facebook page is given in the description box, so do check out the description box also. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with today's video. The Earth has a delicate ecosystem. Its balance depends on an interlinked cycle of various activities. The environment comprises of living and non-living things. Life depends upon non-living habitat, that is the air, water and soil, etc. Various types of animals and plants, including human beings, aquatic life, microorganisms, are interdependent on each other. The green plants are the producers, the animals as consumers survive on them. Plants provide us with food, shelter, clothing, and also clean air. They also articulate rainfall and climate. Therefore, if the environment is destroyed, it would disturb the whole food chain and the balance of greenery in the environment. Unfortunately, deforestation, automation, and artificial ways of life have polluted and damaged the environment in the recent past. There is a need to protect our environment by adopting an approach for development and the lifestyles which are compatible with the nature. The non-living things of the environment, which consist of land, rivers, oceans, lakes, air, minerals, etc., provide us resources and a suitable habitat. These are complementary to living things and are necessary for their survival. Vegetation and forests regulate climate and environment. For example, growth of plants depends upon the quality of soil, water, and air. As such, it is essential that all care is taken to maintain environmental balance and protect it from pollution. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, then please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.